Alright, welcome back to the Small Space Big Build project. We've now moved on to our carpentry phase. What you're going to see in this video is the floor joist being installed. We're going to work on this front half of the house first, get those floor joists in. We'll leave the back part of the roof into position just so that it's got a bit of fall for our tarps, that way the water can run off just during construction. Then the second day we're going to move to the back half of the house. We'll see the roof being demolished, then the rest of the floor joists will get installed. We'll put our steel beams into position. We'll come back through, we'll put a good acoustic insulation in between our floor joists, and then we'll come back over the top of that, lay our sheet flooring into position, glue and screw and nail that down, and then we'll fix our permi-tarps into position. Okay, so we've gone through and we've put in all the Bradford's sound screen insulation. You can see here, it's very easy to use. It comes in 430 wide sheets, so it fits in between our 450 joists perfectly. Just tucks in there. And what that does, the sound screen is actually for acoustic purposes, so that helps with noise transmission between the two floors. Also has an R value of R2, so it's a little bit of thermal as well. So it acts in sound and acoustics and also in thermal. Alright, so we've got the first half of our floor on in this front part of the bedroom. We've laid it, we've glued it, we've nailed it, we'll come back and screw over the top. After lunch we're going to complete the second half of the floor. There's parts of the floor that are going to have cyclone sheeting, which is for the wet areas, and other parts that will just have the particle board to finish it off. So hopefully by the end of today, the floor will be down and we can lay up permi-tarps and everything will be ready for the bricklayers to come in for the next stage.
Joys of living in a house with no roof. We sprung our first leak. I've had a bit of a torrential downpour here, and we didn't really get a chance to get the tarps on permanently last night. They're only temporary, and they're laid flat, but considering how much rain we've just had, all in all this one of the leaks pretty good. So we'll wait till it clears up in the morning, get those tarps fixed permanently over the top, and then hopefully we won't have any more of these leaks. The joys of living in a renovated house, a house with no roof.
Okay, so we've got the floor and the permi-tarp down. The next stage now is to take the tops of these old parapet walls off so we can prep for the bricklayers and get ready to brick the rest of these walls up. So what the boys are going to do now is go through, and you'll see them take the top of that parapet off, and we'll get everything ready so that we can start laying some bricks.